Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange the all type of orbs using battlefield memory treasure in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So I made this video for a new player that need orbs for unlock hidden potential. For example, type growth, hidden potential, and you have to use the orbs for this, like this. For example, small, medium, and large. You can get these orbs by using or by exchanging with battlefield memory. Let's get back to the home page and tap this exchange. So in this Baba shop there are 4 options. Let's tap the treasure one. Make a shortcut here, scroll down and tap this battlefield memory, scroll down, and you can find the orbs here. As you can see, there's small, 500, medium, and large, 10 times left. And you can use, for example, 8000 large for the large orbs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.